Google Pixel 3 looks set to break tradition by launching very differently this year. Google Pixel 3 looks set to break tradition by launching very differently this year following an unexpected announcement from the tech giant. Google Pixel 3 is one of the most highly anticipated Android flagships of the year and is expected to bring supercharged internals, an improved camera system and come pre-installed with Android 9 Pie. Google Pixel 3 is expected to come in two models. The first has been predicted to be a 5.5-inch version with a 1080p display. The second variety could tout an OLED panel over 6 inches and be called the Google Pixel 3 XL. But ahead of the presumed unveiling of both, the devices appear to have been plagued by a stream of leaks. Videos and pictures have emerged of the Google Pixel 3 XL in particular that may have lifted the lid on some of its best features. That is because alleged units have been shown featuring a new all-screen design with a notch and dual front-facing cameras. The latter is expected to help take better portrait mode photos than ever before. But it appears the new Android flagship will break tradition by launching very differently this year. Google recently sent out press invitations for a hardware event in New York City on October 9 that is presumed to showcase the Pixel 3 in addition to other new hardware. It has been rumored a new Pixelbook from the company could be shown on the same day. Many thought the event taking place in the Big Apple would be the sole unveiling of the new hardware. However, Google has since set invitations to another event happening in Paris at exactly the same time that suggests its new smartphone will be shown off thousands of miles apart at the same time, as noted by 9to5Google. An invitation was sent out to French media that read I. Both the original flagship from Google and the Pixel 2 were announced at a single hardware event. And both were shown off earlier in the year, being unveiled on October 4 instead of October 9. Although rumors have been swirling around the Google Pixel 3 for months, Android fans will not have to wait long to see what the Silicon Valley company has in store.